How to use Afterpay with Cash App. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you use Afterpay with Cash App. So let's get started. At first, open up the Cash App with your account. Alright, once you open Cash App with your account, you will got this type of interface. From here, at the bottom right, you'll have to tap on search icon or discover. From here, after you come on this discover section, tap on the option search at the top of your screen, and after you search for any product related in Cash App, you'll be able to find out which brand will allow you to pay with Afterpay. So simply select one brand which will allow you to use Afterpay. Alright, after you choose that one product which will allow you to use Afterpay with that, tap on the option continue with Afterpay, and after you tap on that, you can as usual use your Afterpay with Cash App to continue with that brand. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.